Hi everyone, family friends, welcome to TEMI kitchen. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a healthy breakfast. So stay tuned. In this recipe, you need oatmeal, strawberry, banana, evaporated milk, water, normal milk. Here is my pot. I'm going to add water, milk, one more cup water. Feel free to use any sugar of your choice. If you're watching us for the first time, you are welcome. This is BECKY'S kitchen, where we show you how to do it yourself. So please don't forget to click the subscribe button and let's move together as a family, as one team. Thank you. To all my returning subscribers, thank you. You are wonderful. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in my next one. Bye.